The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic and science in perfect unison. This should be interesting.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
So you just wave those jacked up hands of yours around and, poof?
My spells require very precise hand motions to cast correctly.
Be your best self.
Oh, I've got some signature hand motions. But showing you would ruin our rating.
I believe it would be best for all if I just took your word.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
You didn't really think I would let you jerks have all the fun without me, did ya?
Heads up! Hostiles!
I suck.
I am strengthened.
Invisible?
I feel like myself again.
The mystic arts won't fail me again.
Let me help.
Be your best self. You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
I am strengthened for battle.
I like that.
Science and magic combine. Our enemies are near.
Better stop that vehicle. Sneaking from behind.
Power from the one below all.
What am I?
Power from the one below all. Science and magic. I am strengthened.
Invading our lane! Stop them! It's the grand finale!
Our enemies
I thought you better stop that vehicle! That's 3! There's still a chance to stop them! Be your best self. A little help, please. They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. Shields up!
by the eye of Agamotto!
Disappear! Anyone willing to have shields up?
Like myself again.
Double KO!
By the
It's
shades
now or
of the
never.
Seraphim,
Stop
I
them.
return.
Better stop that vehicle! I like Don't give them another inch! Or else.
Andy needs help.
0, 2, 3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic and science in perfect unison. This should be interesting.
Ha! Yeah! Everybody got to go to that wedding. It was
30
awesome.
seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Yeah, I should have gone. I mean, you know, it's not.
You got out of the astral plane?
I did,
It's fine.
but I'm not entirely certain where I got out to.
There's a lot of that going around. Maybe Doom can sort it out.
You mean Dooms, and they'll have to sort each other out first.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Ha! Yeah,
To me,
everybody
my
got to go to that
X-Men.
wedding.
And anyone else who wants to be king. Looks like we've got ourselves a party.
cold.
Good medicine.
Much better. My daughter's...
The doctor is in.
Maximum impact!
A nice deep freeze.
I am strengthened for battle. Our enemies are near.
A nice deep freeze.
Castle went down.
Thanks for the boost. Right on target!
The Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
Sue Richards,
I'm
ready to
opening
help.
a portal. Pentagram of Farala. Enemy in front of us.
A nice deep
Good
freeze.
medicine.
All talk as usual, Deadpool. Anyone willing to help?
By the hoary hosts of Hope.
Us against the world.
Willing to help?
By the shades of the Seraphim, I return.
Grow up. Only 60 seconds left.
I am strengthened for battle.
I feel like myself again.
By the shades of the Seraphim, I
It's my
return.
way!
Down to 30 seconds.
Man, people would totally hate that he's missing.
the Eye of Agamotto!
Final score 0-3. Well, you can't expect to win them all. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Round 1, go!
Oh, pick me, please.
Make way for the king of... Gonna get
30
flashier than
seconds
mine.
before you attack.
Here.
Get ready.
I hope you're feeling worthy today, Goldilocks. We've got our work cut out for us.
Mjolnir brings the wrath of the Odin force to our enemies.
Now that's how you start a battle.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I was born to battle.
Wait, that hit the spot. Oh, got me good.
This ain't your game. Gambit got your back.
Welcome to the Dark Force dimension.
The hunt continues.
Found me someone to fight.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Wait, that hit the spot.
Scarlet Witch's chaos is quiet once more.
I wish you
Almost there. Don't turn back now. Vehicle reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Us against the world. Caging down for long.
The Odins.
The perfect
Surely
hex.
Ragnarok is next.
Double back.
Now you do the same for me, Wee.
Damage sustained. Needle sustained.
I'll be on count.
Back in the hunt. You I am very hard.
Now you do the same for me, Wee.
The trick. You're halfway there. Keep going.
Push but to stretch. I am Asgard's might! To legend shall go on. Never fall! Wish you had always been Asgard's ally.
has been purged.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
I am very hard.
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
You thought you got rid of me? Pas de chance. Careful, or we're gonna get it from
Oh yeah, baby, that's the Italian stuff in hand. Someone's messing with my head.
Thunder finds its mark again, Thor.
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way.
They hitting real hard.
Correct is injured. Make it! Spirit steady.
Now you do the same for me, Wee.
That hit is Asgard's ally.
Love that healing feeling.
So close! This is your big chance!
Gambit got your back. There'll be a spot in hell, baby girl.
Double down.
The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Make way for the King of Thieves.
We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear.
Round 2,
Get ready.
go!
There's a close snap coming.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Few mortals are so adept at wielding chaos magic. You have caught my attention, Witch.
Should I take that as a compliment or a warning?
I wish you no ill, but all souls eventually belong to him. I will be counting.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct is injured. Make it!
Shall I be struck
My
by
turn to
the
shine.
But you might be.
A pearl of light. Run, run.
Healing. Why would I need healing?
What kind of coward shoots from that far away?
I'll get you next time.
Stop them! Stop that vehicle!
Hold still. I'm trying to help. Back in the
Gonna get flashier than Mardi Gras around here.
There's still a chance to stop them!
The Collector may be watching, but that ain't gonna stop this thief.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Mon Dieu, that hurt. Wait, that hit the spot.
I'm better stop that vehicle!
Helping hand.
I have had a sniper. Careful, I want you to get it from behind.
Helping hand. Oh yeah, baby, that's the good stuff. Mon Dieu, even you couldn't plan for that, Foxy.
Leo?
cover me.
Better stop that vehicle! They've made it halfway! Stop them!
Get ready. There's a cult.
Perfect precision.
We're clear.
You don't think?
That's much better. Us against the world! You owe me one.
Oh yeah, baby, that's the good stuff.
Hey!
Someone is shooting at us.
Tandy needs help.
Stronger
Julia Shivan!
Much to prove.
For my crows!
Maximum pulse!
Watch this place closely. I am very wounded.
Xavier spotted. Don't get fooled. It's your birthday.
I am Asgard's might.
There's still a chance to stop them!
Feeling stronger already. Anyone willing to help? Shields up! Glad to have. Much better. The outcome was clear. Thanks. More to go.
You stop them in their tracks!
And so it begins.
I am very wounded.
So cold. Healing for us.
Why would I need healing?
Us against the world!
No! Though she may be my sworn enemy, we have need of her today.
I'm hit! I wasn't sure we'd get this chance again.
You stop them in their tracks!
A shame. I was becoming quite fond of you, Deadpool.
Feeling fantastic.
Twas but the stress.
work out.
Beware. We are in the sights of a sniper.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
Better stop that
Feeling fantastic.
Every little bit helps. Perfect precision. Nice shot if I'd...
I wasn't sure we'd get this chance again.
Better stop that vehicle! It's now or never! I'll get stop them!
Much better.
Love that heal.
Maximum pulse!
You all hold still. I'm trying to help.
That was total blindside.
Don't give them another inch! Or a
Sometimes. Or a dagger.
I bring hell, not unholy harm.
Just only 60 seconds left!
Feeling fantastic. We got trouble. Anyone willing to help? You owe me one.
Love that healing feeling.
You stop them in their tracks!
Against the world!
Toya, Shiva! Down to 30 seconds!
I am Asgard's might!
My time to shine.